have that lull, may lull palagi kami in a certain game. So, we've got to find out why there is a lull somewhere in the game na in the past few games, either nakakahabol yung kalaban, and then we have to overcome that. So, maybe we should be able to find out bakit may lull kami palagi. Yun. Congrats, Dave.
Would that be a concern moving forward? Moving forward kayo sa standings and syempre, ang high nyo magandang tayo kung
Yes, it's always it's a concern, pero at least lumalabas na ngayon, 'di ba? Lumalabas na ngayon, so we can find our adjustments moving forward.
JP, congratulations on their team. Yung third quarter, may konti kayong struggles sa kapit mo, yung last quarter, pero nakontrol pa yung game by the fourth quarter.
Nag-compose lang kami and ginawa lang namin yung mga plays namin, yung mga tamang plays, yung hindi nagmamadali, ikot ng bola, yung mga pinupunta ng mga point of attack namin.
JP, kung 5 games ko is mga responsible sa magandang start ng LX dito sa elimination, ano bang meron ngayon at talagang tumataas na yung kumpiyansa mo sa ating game?
Siguro extra work lang, simula ng off-season po and extra focus din.
Coach, congrats. After the Reds, I think third straight win yun ako and you've not taken the professional dun sa standings. I think last time, parang sinabi sa amin na parang mabuti na to kasi hindi nyo kaya mag-develop like the other team. So, pero ako si feel lang na ngayon, for now, number 1 kayo.
Nakakahinga ng konti lang nakakahinga, no? Pero alam namin na after this game, parang sunod-sunod yata actually sunod-sunod na nga yung laro. Konti lang yung prep time. So, kailangan focus lang kami lahat. Alam namin na malalakas pa rin yung kalaban going down the stretch. So, we can't take these wins. Parang nanalo kami ngayon. So, tapos na to. Kailangan we look to the next game. Tapos na to nanalo na. So, look to the next game na kami.
Coach, do you think parang it reinforces your team status as a dark horse dito sa tournament?
Hindi naman. I can't say, no, but basta we are there to compete. Yun lang. We're there to compete. Mabuti nga, if they take us for granted, that's good. So kami, we're just here to do the best what we can and compete against everybody.
What do you like about JP's game?
Padagdag siya ng padagdag sabi ko nga, last best player nga, we got him primarily for rebounding purposes and he developed himself as a threat, di ba? A threat. Yun, and that's not because of me, that's because he works hard in practice and trying to develop his game para makipag-compete siya sa mga ibang malalaki sa liga.
Coach, walang additional question doon na hindi parang naging kopya na sa kopya nila sa inside game like yung fourth quarter ng mga instances na talagang good.
Sorry?
Yung sa kopya ni JP, especially sa
Yeah, siyempre kailangan ng isang player ng kumpiyansa. It's not like tinitira niya yung hindi niya kayang i-shoot. Ang tinitira niya yung kaya niyang i-shoot. So, it's a good, how do you say, a good addition to the system. If JB has developed a consistent medium range jump shot, it's good for the system. Yun.
Hindi naglalagay ka ba lang?
Natatayang nila din siguro sa sistema ni coach. Yung mga pwesto, yung mga drop passes na Berreto, na Blackhead, and ulit-ulit na paminsan-minsan na nagawa pa ng mga
More questions. Thank you for Joey Chico and our question coming in by you. And next week, tonight, 99 is over Blackwater. Coming up next is TNT and Bradford.
Thank you. Congrats, JB.